तत्सवितुर्वरं रूपं ज्योतिः परस्य धीमहि यन्नः सत्येन दीपयेत् तत्सवितुर्वरं रूपं ज्योतिः परस्य धीमहि यन्नः सत्येन दीपयेत् तत्सवितुर्वरं रूपं ज्योतिः परस्य धीमहि यन्नः सत्येन दीपयेत् ॐ चैतन्यमयी सत्यमयी परमे चैतन्यमयी सत्यमयी परमे Open my mind, my heart, my life to your light, your love, your power in all things. May I see the divine. Open my mind, my heart, my life to your light, your love, your power in all things. May I see the divine. Shri Aurobindo Sharanam Mama. Shri Aurobindo Sharanam Mama. Shri Aurobindo Sharanam Mama.
Culture has been organizing an inter-school competition on this occasion. But this year, the divine has willed otherwise, and we have conducted an intra-school event instead. Can we have some less noise in the background? So this year we conducted the event for the students of the Future Foundation School only. This time of the year has always been very special, a time to celebrate the life and works of Sri Aurobindo, and such competitions give us an opportunity to delve deeper into these realms. It has not been any different this time, and I would like to extend my gratitude to the teachers who have worked meticulously to make this virtual event a reality. A competition is nothing without its participants, and therefore our utmost gratitude to each and every one of you, dear students, who has taken time out and put in your concerted effort to make this event a success. In times like this, when we cannot make sense of the present and are unsure of the future, it is imperative that we turn to prophets like Sri Aurobindo for strength and guidance. Thank you all once again. Now, I will move on to the results of this year's competition. We begin with Group A. English Elocution. In first position, we have Ranjaboti Chattopadhyay of class 9B. In second position, we have Sridatri Sadhu of class 7A. And in third position, we have Taradrita Raut of class 8B. A, Bengali Elocution. Once again, in first position, we have Ranjaboti Chattopadhyay of class 9B. In second position is Taradrita Raut of class 8B. And in third position, we have Shruti Das of class 7B. We move on to Group B, English Elocution. Archia Paul of 11A has its first. Tarunna Bhattacharya, also from class 11A, its second. And in third position, we have Otishman Ghosh of class 10. Group C, English Declamation. In first position, we have Nirabdro Nath of class 11A. In joint second position, we have Gokul G. Nair and Shammo Basu Mojumdar. Gokul is from 12C and Shammo is from 12A. And third position is Sharonna Bhattacharya from class 11A. Group B, Bengali Elocution.
First position Ranjapati Didi, second
In
position Shira.
first position, we have Rick Ronak of class 10B. Children, please mute yourselves. In first position, Bengali Elocution Group B, we have Rick Ronak of class 10B. In second position is Rupkatha Chakraborty of class 10B. And in joint third position is Aruna Bhattacharya of 7A and Obhipsha Ghosh of 11B. Group C, Bengali Declamation. Ahan Basu has been declared the winner. He was the only participant in this game. We move on to the quiz results.
ও এখানেই তো আমি খেয়ালই করিনি।
There seems to be a lot of entertainment with different kinds of background music. We move on to the quiz results. In first position, we have Imon Sinha of class 7B. Imon Sinha is the winner with 32.5 points. In second position is Otishman Ghosh of class 10B. He has scored 30 points. And in third position, we have Doibik Balchodhuri, also from class 10B, and he has scored 27.5 points. Now, all the participants, please note that you will receive your e-certificates of merit and certificates of participation in due course. So it will take us some time, probably a week or 10 days, and you will receive them. Okay, thank you so much once again And congratulations to each one of you for all the effort that you have put in to make this event a success. Thank you. Now I would ask Somnath to carry on with the proceedings. Somnath.
Dear friends, it gives me immense pleasure to offer Dear friends, it gives me immense pleasure to offer the vote of thanks for today's intra-school competition on the life and work of Sri Aurobindo. From the early 80s, the Sri Aurobindo Institute of Culture has been organizing without fail every year an inter-school competition. This was at a time when the Future Foundation School was in a very nascent stage. And every year we see the participation of so many schools. This year, because of the pandemic, it couldn't be organized, but nevertheless, our teachers and all of you took up the challenge to do something special intra-school. It's also heartening to see this all-round participation and enthusiasm in this competition. Because it's more than a competition. It's simply this, that mankind is adrift and in the throes of a major crisis, a crisis that is unparalleled in the history of the earth. Probably something similar, a pandemic happened maybe 100 years ago, on this scale a few hundred years ago, but on a global scale, never ever. The one light that shines for us, the one light that gives us not just hope, but certitude that we shall overcome, has been given by none other than Sri Aurobindo. And it's not a passing coincidence that this pandemic has engulfed mankind barely 2 years before his 150th birth anniversary. I am confident that by the time 15th August 2022 comes, mankind would have put behind this pandemic and would have learned certain lessons that make it a race that is nobler and worthier of the new millennium. Once again, I thank all our teachers and all participants for the participation this year, and thank you very much.